In this video, you'll learn how to create a newsletter using Mailchimp. By following these steps, you will be able to design and send your newsletter effectively to your audience. To begin, navigate to the Mailchimp website. Once you are on the homepage, locate the automations option in the main menu. Click on it to access the automation features offered by Mailchimp. This section is essential for setting up your newsletter campaign. After accessing the automations page, look for the button labeled Create Campaign or something similar. Type in a brief highlight or subject for your newsletter in the provided field. This initial step helps you establish the theme of your newsletter. Next, click on the Begin button to start the campaign creation process. Upon clicking, a new screen will load, providing you with various options for designing your newsletter. Make sure to review the options available before proceeding. Once the new screen appears, you will see a Close button at the top right corner. Click on this button to minimize any unnecessary information and focus on your campaign details. Now, find the To section on the screen. Click on it to select your email recipients. This action allows you to specify who will receive your newsletter, ensuring that it reaches your intended audience. In the recipient selection area, click on All Email Subscribers to include everyone in your mailing list. This is crucial for maximizing the reach of your newsletter. After selecting, confirm your choice before moving on. After confirming your recipient list, click on the Save button to ensure that your selections are stored. This step is essential to avoid losing any progress made in setting up your newsletter. Next, find the From section and click on it. This section allows you to choose the sender's email address that will appear in the recipient's inbox. It is important for maintaining brand consistency. Now, click on your email address presented in the list. This will set it as the sender for your newsletter. Confirm that this is the correct address before proceeding to the next step. Once you've selected your email address, click on the Save button again to save your changes. It is vital to keep your progress updated as you move through the creation process. Next, locate the Subject section and click on it. This section is where you will define the subject line for your newsletter. A compelling subject line can significantly impact open rates. In the subject line field, click and type in a relevant title for your newsletter. Ensure that it aligns with the content of your email, as this helps set expectations for your readers. After typing in your subject line, click on the Save button once more to confirm your entry. This action ensures that your subject line is recorded in your campaign settings. Next, navigate to the Send Time option. Click on it to choose when you would like your newsletter to be sent out. Timing can affect engagement, so select a time that works best for your audience. Click on the Send Now option if you wish to send your newsletter immediately. Alternatively, you can choose a later time for sending if preferred. This flexibility allows you to optimize your newsletter's reach. After deciding on the send time, click on Save to confirm your choices. This is an important step to finalize the sending options for your newsletter. Continue by clicking Save again to ensure all recent changes are properly recorded. This practice prevents any loss of information during the newsletter setup. Next, locate the Design Email button and click on it to begin customizing the look of your newsletter. A well-designed email can enhance readability and engagement. After clicking Design Email, you will be directed to the email editor. Here, make any necessary design adjustments to create an appealing layout for your newsletter. Once you've finalized your design, click on the Apply button to save your design changes. This ensures that your visual elements are integrated into the newsletter. After applying your design, click on Save and Exit to return to the main campaign settings. This step keeps your design intact while allowing you to continue with other configurations. To finalize everything, click on the Send button when you are ready to distribute your newsletter. This action will initiate the sending process to your selected recipient. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.